Nestled on a pie-shaped corner lot with 144 feet of frontage across from the serenity of a ravine setting, within the heart of East Pickering's sought-after Brockridge community, welcome to 2319 Wildwood Crescent, a beautiful 4-bedroom stone heritage home with 3 washrooms that has the distinction of being the starting point of this neighbourhood and protected under the Ontario Heritage Act. The original homestead was built during the 1850s, with an addition added some years later, and is an example of Gothic Revival architecture, built with a unique and now rarely used mixture of 2-foot thick stones, including raw crystal, granite, gneiss, quartz, rhodonite, sandstone, and basalt, amongst others. The driveway can accommodate parking for up to 12 vehicles, and while offering exceptional living space as a single-family home, the interior layout is flexible, allowing for use as a 2-unit dwelling with separate entrances. As it wraps around the home, the custom spiral stone walkway winds its way to the north entrance, which has been painted a bold red color, as have all the exterior doors. The professionally landscaped gardens are filled with a mix of herbs, perennials, and shrubs, including a row of Rose of Sharon flowering shrubs. And as you pass the arbor along the south walkway, in front of the south main entrance is a charming sitting area under the shade of a magnolia tree. The entire main level has been updated with wide plank hardwood flooring, and beyond the foyer is a generously sized living room that has a painted brick accent feature flanked by contemporary wall sconces on its east wall. This space having 2 distinct entertaining rooms, both with pot lighting. Off the living room is a 3-piece washroom with a wall-mounted space-saving vanity, tiled finishes, and a walk-in shower area. And to the left of the foyer upon entry is the spacious eat-in kitchen. Brightened with pot lighting and a modern light fixture, the kitchen showcases a subway tiled backsplash wall, a stainless steel side-by-side fridge freezer, range hood, as well as a range with dual ovens and granite counters on each side, contemporary cabinetry, and a large peninsula with a front-load dryer, a stainless steel double sink, and breakfast seating. The base cabinets on the seating side finished with the warmth of wood. And the windows here, as well as throughout the entire home, are characteristic of the era, almost all of them having deep ledges that are ideal for plants or for display purposes. The updated hardwood staircase to the upper level has both a wrought iron railing and wood handrails, this level featuring 2 closets off the upper landing, 3 bedrooms, a washroom, as well as pot lighting and wood flooring throughout. The bedroom directly off the landing has a vaulted ceiling that is partially wood-paneled and papered faux brick accent walls. Pine boards finish the wall cutout above the staircase, and at the north end of the hallway is a deep display ledge just outside the entrance into the 4-piece washroom, which itself has a deep ledge below its window, as well as an acrylic bath and shower area and a vanity with countertop basin. The master bedroom has a painted brick accent feature with painted wood boards next to it from the floor and along the ceiling, creating a distinct space dedicated to the double closet and its dressing area, the ceiling also being vaulted and the bedroom having ample space for a sitting area. The south-facing hallway nook is bathed in light, has storage shelves and cubbies, and makes a great reading area. And the 3rd bedroom features a mostly pine-paneled ceiling, a papered accent wall, and a walk-in closet with organizers. The north wing of the home has potential for full conversion into a second unit and showcases an open concept room with wainscoting, crown moldings, and a wood-paneled ceiling, a wood counter with an induction cooktop and a stainless steel sink, as well as a charming decorative fireplace. With its washroom featuring a front-load washer, a glass shower, and a modern vanity. This section's north entrance opens to the outdoor front gardens and a beautiful sitting area under the shade of a mature maple tree. And at the end of the driveway is a pergola attached to the yoga studio, creating a lovely outdoor patio area that can be exclusive to the north wing unit. A pine staircase carries to the loft, which has a pine-paneled vaulted ceiling with 2 candelabra chandeliers, pine flooring, and other pine finishes, including the organizers within the walk-in closet. This space ideal as a fitness or recreation area, a teenage hangout, or as a bedroom if the north wing is utilized as a self-contained unit. On the east side is the home's third entrance from the backyard, where stone walkways wind their way through this outdoor retreat, which is surrounded by mature trees for shade and exceptional privacy. For children, there is a charming treehouse with a play structure, lush perennials line the southeast walkway with their greenery, while the huge sun deck has abundant space to relax, dine, or to entertain. And if desired, this property has just over 1,000 square feet of buildable land for an addition, which has been approved conditional upon submission of architectural drawings by the Heritage Committee. Between the sun deck and the studio is a greenhouse garden with an automatic watering system and an outdoor warm shower. The detached yoga studio being quite spacious and featuring a wall-to-wall mirror, a vaulted cedar ceiling with track lighting and a fan, and a rough-in for a washroom. The studio is also accessible from the driveway as well as the backyard and is suitable for any type of home-based business, as well as having potential to be converted into an accessory dwelling unit. Walking distance to the Wildwood Trail, Valley Farm Public School, and both Major Oaks and Brockridge community parks. with the Smart Center's Pickering Shopping Mall just a few minutes away by car. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Center Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401, as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.